7 or 8 videos without saying that. So please subscribe to our channel. We're trying to do this the best way possible. Today we switching up the setup a little bit, man, for our convenience. I appreciate Ty being accessible. Normally would have been the Volt. Right now we're just in the damn bank, you know what I'm saying?
We is DJ booth. This is how small be in the club, y'all, so that's why we tell y'all don't go in the DJ booth. And for IG Live, look like I got my shoes on, but I really don't.
Let's see, who is that? What's good, y'all? Like y'all fits today. Hey, man, we had to represent to one of the GOATs, you know what I'm saying? It's a sad day.
Oh, be cold. It's a good day.
It's a good day. We celebrating, brother. We celebrating. And, you know, we got the highlights going on the TV, but y'all can't see that. We got YouTube going. We got NBA Jam going for the retro feel too as well. Ty, man, what you got today, man?
Hey,
see what the Lakers fit, Lakers hat, okay.
Pay homage to the Bean Man himself, Kobe. We're respecting the flat-faced residents, so we don't wear shoes on the carpet.
Appreciate it.
The Laker ones for y'all up there, you know, the Laker mid ones, you know, with the Kobe. The Kobe
clean, yo.
Throwback. This was the Fro Kobe. This one out. Shout out to Mamba.
Look at this.
You know.
What up, Ray Will? What's good, brother? Hey, man, you said 824.
Yeah, buddies.
These some clean kicks, man. Even though they mids, I like all shoes. But people complain about mids and OGs and lows. I rocks these if I had them. So we gonna get to this unboxing, man. So hopefully it's the shoe. Hopefully it's the right shoe. Cause I did get confirmation. My sister told me she had mailed me a package, and I'm like, yo, this better not be what I think it is.
Right.
I hope it's what I know what it is. So we're gonna go ahead and get to this.
So this letting y'all know, YouTube, we real. We don't script this stuff.
We don't script it out, man.
If this ain't what we think it is, y'all gonna see the real footage of it.
We have not broken any seals. Let me make sure I don't show my I think it's on this side, yeah. We ain't broke no seals yet. If y'all can see, we ain't broke nothing yet. So this is live. This is Ty Live TV, baby.
Live TV, mama made. Uh-oh.
Alright. So once again, they actually hooked me up this time. Yo, they got me together.
Hold on. Before you do this, what y'all think we got?
Yeah, what shoe y'all think we got? Go ahead and put that in the comments. You know? What I mean? What shoe do you think is in this box? Before we even go any further.
We already know he got better boxing than my box got.
Hey, yeah, they hooked me up, man. They must have knew. So we got the protection stuff right there, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I do.
You know what I'm saying? We got.
He was so hyped. He did it, you know.
I done opened it upside down,
man,
so. I
can't do what he did in my box.
Yes, you can. Yes, you can.
Hold on.
Alright, y'all, so y'all see it. We got the Reebok.
Uh-oh.
We got the Reebok.
Uh-oh.
We got the size 12.
Uh-oh.
Oh, size 12, that's the right size.
Where we going with this? I'm
scared to open it, Ty.
I'm kind of scared. You want me to take a look?
Yeah, you look first,
I'll look.
You look first, man.
I get the honest.
You look first, man.
If I was a bad man, I would run. Alright, I'm gonna head out.
I gotta rock these.
You can have them. I'll actually buy you another pair. That's how I feel. I will buy you 2 more pairs of these. I gotta let you know.
But before we get to this box, Ty, what else did you bring, man?
Yeah, man, you know,
what else did you bring, Ty?
Shout out to the man, Kobe Bryant, man. And we had to pay homage. So y'all know he rocked these. The Obsidian 12s. You know how he rocked these in the blue, with the North Carolina blue trim on the Laker, you know, Los Angeles jersey. So if y'all got that in the 2X, man, send it my way. That jersey. With the 8, I like the 8, but I'll take 24.
I'm just gonna take one.
Yeah. I see that.
Alright, he wore them too, y'all.
I wore these.
Y'all know I get hyped with
Yeah.
he got shoes and people wore them, so.
Yeah.
Yeah, my boy Brian.
You know.
He's nice.
Yeah. These nice. I wore them probably like twice.
He mentioned these in the video yesterday.
Nah,
he said, "Oh, I like the taxis."
Yeah, the taxis.
Them the only ones I wear.
I got these good Kobe wore.
But yeah, he wore these, y'all.
It's a Kobe edition. You know what I mean?
He wore these, y'all.
Know what I mean? I wore my sneakers. So I had to do that for Cole. Let's see, what else I do for Cole, man? Nah, hey. Y'all really gonna go crazy on these, cause I done really wore these bad boys. These are 10th anniversary joints. Just so y'all know, yeah, I wore these bad boys.
That's real right there.
That's
baby.
real. Like, I thought I was Kobe with these.
I think I seen Ty hit a fadeaway with the Clippers on them.
You already know. You already know. Bars. You already know. The Kobe, the anniversary. You know what I mean? Like the Bruce Lee on the back.
Brody, get out.
See, Brody trying to
Brody, go ahead. What you gonna do?
Yeah, man.
What you gonna do, bro?
See, Brody trying to get TV.
Get down.
Get up out of here.
Get out, Brody.
Bye. You getting edited too.
That's my boy, man. That's Brody.
The big Brody in the building. You know what I mean? Shout out, bro. Yeah, I had the 10th, you know, the anniversary, the white on white. And then I got one more. You want me to go and do this? Or
Yeah, man. Nah.
I'm trying to help y'all out, man.
Man.
And then, you know, they ain't the Grinch, but it's the Christmas pack. You know, these are kind of like.
Hit to those, Ty.
Yeah, they ain't hit to these Kobe's. And I wore these too. Kobe's get worn around here. One of the most comfortable, old shoes out here. It's for you, Kobe, GG. I gotta get a number 2 jersey out here. And with the rest of the fellow people who did pass on that helicopter. But yeah, Kobe, I brought these out for you today, buddy. And I appreciate what you did for the league, for all the kids, you know, with the fro, receding hairlines. You know, you made it way. So yeah, man, that's all I brought today. Like I said, the mid-Laker joints. I put that in there with the purple laces. Man, that was time.
Oh man, let me show you what shoe I would've.
See, look, he stole it, y'all.
Let me show you what shoe I probably would've worn with this.
He stole it.
You know what I'm saying?
He don't want y'all to be happy.
I probably would have pulled this shoe out to rock with the jersey. Now, in camera, it doesn't look like it'll work. But when you stand up, you know what I'm saying, throw a little fit on or whatever, these will work. And if it didn't work, I will make it work anyway.
Classic.
So yeah, you know, y'all seen these on the answer 3 questions. These BBCs, the ice creams, baby.
BBCs, no.
Don't even say it, Ty.
We're gonna keep it clean. We got cheering in the back.
Keep it clean, Ty. All right, y'all. I think it's time.
What LeBron said when he finally got that ring? It's about time.
So as y'all know, we got the Reebok. I don't know if y'all can see up there. We got my boy Cove up there on the TV. I don't know who this guy is. Get him out of here real quick.
He got the Kobe with the I don't know why. Y'all don't get to see that. Maybe you get to
yeah. Before we get to the shoe, I know I was forgetting something, Ty. I appreciate you, man. So look, growing up in the mid-90s, early 2000s, this was a great matchup to see. We love seeing this matchup. Shout out to AI, man. Shout out to Code. Look at that. Look at that. This is a matchup you love to see. I got this hanging up. And I appreciate my woman letting me hang up all this stuff in our room because she could easily be like, no. But she recognized greatness, you know what I'm saying?
Right behind her, you know what I'm saying? See the 2 GOATs, my favorite player, AI. You know, I thought I was in when I was like, you know what I'm saying?
The answer.
So let's answer what's in this box, man.
You know, that's the mama. All right, y'all. We really gonna dig into this box. Reebok box. I'm kind of not upset, but I'm kind of surprised it didn't come in a different type of box.
Yeah, I would have thought it came with something else, honestly.
So it's a question mid, white, yellow, and ultraviolet, size 12.
Who we got? Is that
Oh man.
The DJ Khaled Louis Vuitton bag.
Man, we got a lot of light going on right here, so you know what I'm saying. Hopefully, get off my face and focus on that. You know what I'm saying? We got this going on.
See that?
Oh man.
We ain't gonna tell y'all where we got it from. I'm just gonna keep that clank. Oh yeah, that's the, for y'all that don't know,
Hey.
that's the multicolored bag that you can change the color with the remote. Oh man, look at that.
Yo,
Look at that.
when I tell you, I was up at 11:55 on my phone, my iPad, my girlfriend's phone, my daughter's phone, and her daughter's iPad. Yo, we took all L's that day. I'm not even exaggerating.
Don't forget Ty phone.
Ty
Extra
tried,
phone.
everybody tried, man. They was like, yo, you know, he rocks his stuff.
I was gonna get my pair.
Yeah, Ty was gonna
just
get
to
his
let,
own pair, you know what I'm
just to
saying?
let Flat have it. If I won and he didn't, I was gonna let him get my shoe.
Yo,
That's what brothers do.
the question me a yellow toe, Laker colorway.
That's the Laker gold too.
Yo, Laker go. And just to think, this month came in today.
On cold.
Today. The 1 year to date passing of Kobe Bean Bryant.
Cole, make sure you got that.
Yeah, hey, I'm pretty sure Cole did look out for me.
If I hit up the sneaker guys like, hey, I know y'all looked out for him. All them L's he took yesterday. Let's just make sure he gets this shoe today. Shout out to Kobe.
This is crazy.
Shout out to the sneaker guys.
I ain't gonna lie. I knew the shoe was clean, but having it in hand, this is ridiculous. It might be too much light in here. Look at that. Oh man. Look at that. And y'all know I got to wear my sneakers. I don't know when I'm gonna pull these out. It gotta be a special day. Today would have been that day, but it's a little gloomy outside, you know what I'm saying? And I ain't really trying to get them jacked up that fast. But this is it, man. The yellow toe Reebok.
Review this bad boy, I think you is right. You said every shoe you get is something.
Something wrong with it. What's wrong? Tell me, Ty, what it look like?
Why I gotta give you the better the bad news?
Go ahead, give me the bad news,
It
Ty.
ain't that bad, but it's
Because
like
I was looking on this too. Got some little specks on
It's like a
here.
little, I don't want to say, it's like a lint on the toe. That one clean. This one,
Oh, yeah. Put that.
yeah,
I'm
I
gonna show
got
y'all
it.
that. I'm telling y'all, every single time when I order a shoe, it just come back crazy. But I bought some shoe cleaner stuff that'll probably take that right out.
Sir, yes, sir. All around is a very, very
It's
clean
looking
shoe.
clean, man.
I would sacrifice my toes, because remember I told y'all previously, the toe box, yeah, they be up there looking like moose knuckles. So, for this shoe, I definitely was on. Reviewing it, man, it's like I said, everything clean. They could, it's a little, take a fingernail clipper on
Yeah,
there.
I'll go ahead and chop that real quick.
Chop it. Remember, always cut, never pull any,
Cut.
because if you walking down the street, your whole shoe fall off.
What up, Chevy? Hey, Chevy, man, you tuned in for this crazy,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Yo, we just got these today in the mail.
So for everybody,
Unboxing of the yellow toe
to
question me Iverson
all
shoe.
the L's, because everybody in Cincinnati I know took an L. But Flat finally came back.
Came through, man. I found a way. Found a way.
Very, 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 very clean shot. Yeah, but
This is crazy.
yeah, man. I'm happy for you, Flat, man. I always be happy for you.
I had to save an empty one, man.
Oh man. Oh man.
I had to find an empty case.
He's already gonna go on.
Yeah, I'm putting them in the case. And I might go get a trophy case for this bad boy. What y'all think? Should I go get a different case or just put it in this one? What y'all think? Can y'all ain't even get to see the case?
It just needs his own. You might as well find a purple case, man. Put it in there. Kobe, AI collab.
Man, that's crazy, Tiny. I ain't even put 2 and 2 together. Go ahead and grab that photo of me. Go ahead.
What it'd be like if
Look,
AI went to
look at this. Ty said it. Kobe AI collab. We got the photo, and then we got the kicks. Man.
I think I should get to wear it first because I got the yellow jersey.
That's love right there.
You know what I mean? Yeah, man. Let me borrow these sometime. Unless you wear my
Damn,
photo.
I asked to borrow the purple 13s and he said, nah. He said, nah, bro, you can't get those.
We can swap. Let me just get the left shoe. And I'll wear the purple right shoe.
Come on, Ty.
I mean, hey, man, we can be different, man.
They got the yellow stitching on the toe right here. There it is. They got the yellow stitching right there.
Purple trim. Hey, Reebok, I'm proud of you.
Reebok, purple trim.
Can we say this is the 2020 best release?
Oh, you know this is my favorite 2020 release right here.
So it's better than the mismatch?
You know it.
It's better than the OG?
Wait. The mismatch came out in 2020?
Yeah.
Hold on, man. Let's do it.
Oh, yeah, I'll hold these bad boys.
Hold on. You mean to tell me? Like I told y'all, if y'all see something, I wear my sneakers. But you mean to tell me these came out 2020? These must come too.
Five boys in here.
Damn. Yo. Yeah, I'm taking a gold toe over these, man. Even though these are clean, these are some good sneakers.
We gonna see when that purple toe drop. Yeah, we'll see if he take his words back.
Cause I mean 2020 over.
Gold toe over.
2020 over, Ty.
And you know they about to re-release the OGs.
What, the 96s? There y'all have it, man. Yellow toe Reebok. Mid. Question. Appreciate y'all tuning in.
Kobe edition.
Yo.
Kobe edition.
These live. These in a lane of his own, man. We just gotta fix this, Reebok. We gotta fix that.
Gotta do better.
We gotta do better. There you go. Now you see it. Yeah, I don't know how that got on there, but we'll figure that out. We'll figure that out. But that's it, man.
We say like, share, subscribe.
Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to the channel. Because we're not just gonna sit here and be like, yeah, man, go get the shoe. It's only $450. No, we gonna tell you come shop with us.
Shop with us.
Cause we gonna show y'all some steals. We gonna show y'all some deals, and we gonna look out for each other, man. We're not trying to be like those high-end resellers. We're not trying to grab these and be like, yo, we want $750 for them. Like, nah, man.
But we are not gonna sell ourselves short. Either.
Yeah, we ain't gonna sell ourselves short, but we ain't about $750. No. I'm not about to post these on our Instagram page, Retros and-Rees, for like, yo, retail. No. And I'm also not gonna say, come get these off our page right now for $1,500. Like, no, I would be reasonable.
Just let y'all know.
Just make it make sense.
If you're a real shoe head, y'all know that shoe's worth every bit of $600 off rip.
Off rip.
Off rip, $600. We ain't gonna tell you how much we got for it. But
Never.
like I said, everybody got money until you gotta spend it.
Preach, Ty.
I'm just saying. Everybody got money. They ballin'. They got the rollies. They got the chain. They got the bottles in the club.
They got the Kobe jerseys.
You know what I mean?
They got the hardwood classic Jordans.
But then when you want to come shop with Ty Jew, hey man, you get it for retail. What? These no shots, but this is the truth though. I really feel like that. Everybody got money till you gotta spend it.
So it's time to spend it.
Know your worth. Know what you getting. Just cause we,
And let me tell y'all,
you know,
just because we do this, he don't cut me no slack. I hit him up earlier like, yo, let me give you $100 a week for them shoes. Nah, bro, I needed it all up front. I had to respect it. I had to, but I also had to try.
hey, and what I tell him, I said, hey man, I'm proud of
He
you.
said, I'm proud of you. Like,
How you
get better.
negotiate.
How you negotiate.
Just don't shoot me in my kneecap.
I mean, he would have got the money.
But yeah, you know. But like I said, you gotta hold everybody accountable, just like me. I wanted these 13s from him. I'm like, brother, let me go and get you. You know, he was like, hey man, he helped me with a deal. He gave me the deal, right? I told him I'm gonna have it on this day, on that day. I forgot. Give me a hey, Todd, can I get my money? You know what? I had to shoot him the money right then and there. But yeah, like I said,
We know each other good for it. It's just a principle.
got to. Like I said, we ain't the type that if we put a shoe out there with a price, it ain't like we're not gonna negotiate with it. Me, if the shoe is DS, like brand new for y'all who don't know what DS means, that means dead stock. Never been worn, never been tried on, never none of that. It's just a brand new shoe, alright? So when I put the price on there, I'm firm with that price. Only really time that I'm not firm, I'll let you go back and forth as if I want the shoe. Simple as that. Or if I really just don't like the shoe and I just want to get rid of it. Simple as that. But anything I post, I don't mind not selling it. Because I'm aware of it eventually. But, you know, that's what we do. Retro and Rees.
Retro and Rees, you know what I'm saying? Go to Rees. Shit, you call these retros. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Boom. You know what I'm saying? We still got the starfish. You know what I'm saying? Y'all still trying to copy these. Obsidian 12.
You know what I mean?
You know, we got the we still got the vaults, dead stock. You know what I'm saying? We ain't playing with y'all, man.
We got the gold pack too in there.
We got the gold packs in there, man. You know what I'm saying? We still not laced up. Make a price, make an offer, make a fair offer. That's all we asking. You know what I'm saying? And we put this up there. But I ain't selling mine. You selling yours, son?
I ain't selling mine right now.
I ain't selling mine right now.
We just want to give y'all good,
You know what I'm saying?
catalogs. Let y'all know we got heat.
Yeah.
We got heat. Just cause we put the, the dash shoes up, we just letting y'all know it's out there. If we put it up and y'all say, hey, can you grab them for me? We're gonna let you have. We're gonna go get it for you. You know, if we can. Now we're gonna put a traveling fee on there. That's another dead stock right there. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, like I said, if you see something, let us know.
Let us know, man.
I'm pretty sure Flat Pipe sell his shoes.
Let us know. I'm really thinking about keeping these.
Hey, I'm gonna let y'all know right now.
Bro, it never fails, man. That's why I wear my shoes, cause it's always a defect on my stuff.
All shoe heads always keep fingernail clippers with y'all. So you can get them little laces, the little stems.
Yes, sir. The little loose threads.
Threads, yeah. Put the threads out.
Still ain't bust these bad boys out either.
Look, I
still ain't wore these yet.
We not in the boat. We still somewhere with heat. You know what I'm saying? Y'all be seeing the back, the boat. Wow, okay, that's cool. I told y'all.
Still ain't wore
DJ
those.
Flatface has heat.
Let's see.
Don't let him fool you.
You got probably wore these once. You know what I'm saying? The Georgetown Bulldogs.
The Bulldogs.
The Georgetown Bulldogs. I probably wore these once, and that probably was with the Georgetown Hoya jersey too. So I mean, we ain't trying to flex on that, man. We just showing y'all that we got shoes.
Definitely.
You know what I'm saying? If we ain't got them, we gonna get them. That's if we want them.
If we want them, we gonna pay the price. We don't get no deals when we get stuff.
So don't.
So don't think anybody else gonna get deals. But that is the unboxing for y'all.
Unboxing of the Reebok Mid.
So what would you rate that shoe?
I'm rating this one up classic.
Classic.
This up there with reasonable doubt.
Nope, he said it was diamond.
It's crazy, but yeah, man. We're gonna holler at y'all, man. We're gonna sell y'all, you know what I'm saying? Got the Kobe jersey 824. We got the AI and Kobe memorabilia right here picture. Like I said, y'all can't really see this. We got the NBA Jam going on right now for the retros, because we like video games. We might give y'all one game of NBA Jam. We got some footage up here of the GOAT. We had Kobe up there, and I guess YouTube put their own thing. And then, you know, subscribe to our channel, man. Yo, it was a great day.
Don't say all the time.
Don't say it's your short time.
Hey, man, I ain't selling myself.
He's fine.
You know what I mean? I feel like them are great shoes with them yellow toes stole the show. You know what I mean?
Oh, wait. You know what I'm saying? If y'all into these Asics, we letting these go for sale. You know what I'm saying? These the last pair. Brand new, dead stock. Listen, on the internet, every website I checked, 113, yo. 113. Now, we don't have a box, so we was like, you know what, let's cut people a deal. We letting these go for 50 bucks. These are size 10. 50 bucks. 50 bucks, size 10. Comfortable shoe. No box, but, you know, DS. We both wear 12, 11. We can't, what we doing with these? We looking out for y'all. We find steals for everybody. We for the people. But, yeah, man. We hope y'all enjoyed this unboxing. We appreciate Ty coming over to the crib. You know what I'm saying? We had a little altercation with Brody. What up, Triggs? Because of the building. Yeah, man. Make sure y'all watch some Kobe footage. Go out there, whenever you shoot your shots today in the trash can, wherever. Throw one up for him and the rest of the people that passed away in that horrible helicopter crash or whatnot. So yeah, man, that's all I got, Ty. You got anything else?
Yeah, like always, make sure you follow your boy, everybody, Ty. That's DRYANT on IG. And you know,
there it is. There it is. Every video somebody called Ty.
Somebody trying to get a sneaker, you know what I mean? I already know what it is.
It works. But yeah. Follow me at every platform at DJ Flatface. Yeah, that's about it for me, man. We appreciate y'all tuning in. Subscribe. You can subscribe here, here, down below in the description. All this will be down below in the description. Make sure y'all really go check out that Retro n-Rees Instagram page. Whole bunch of heat just popped up there for some good prices. Like we said, we not ripping nobody off. Go check it out. If we ain't got those size, leave your size in the comments and we'll find you some. And we got you, man. Always. Make sure you subscribe. And we out.
We out. Retro n-Rees.
Peace. Hey, appreciate everybody coming through for the first unboxing. And I ain't giving y'all my address, but we in the building, we in the studio. You know what I'm saying? I should have did a mix or something, but
yeah, man, you know we still got time.